Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I have brought a new custom ROM for your Redmi 5 Rosy smartphones. This ROM is only for Redmi 5 Rosy. Let's check the specification and the name of this ROM. This ROM is MIUI 11 based custom ROM. Here you can Xiaomi.eu 11.0.4.0 ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. This is stable version. Let's check. Here you get the let's check for updates. You are up to date. This is the latest version available for Redmi 5 Rosy. Here is the CPU, battery capacity, rear camera. Here you can see Redmi 5 whole specification. Let's check the whole specification. This is 11.0.4.0 latest version of China ROM. This works on Android 8.1 as you can see. 1 December 2019 model CPU. Here you can see change the kernel according to your use. Let's check the specification and the bugs of this ROM. Here I have installed Geo in my device. Here voltage of 100% working. You can receive the call, you can call anybody, use mobile during here you can use dual Geo SIM also. Net is 100% working, no problem in internet connection. Here Wi-Fi is also working, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect Bluetooth is also 100% working. Let's check the hotspot. Here is the hotspot, portable hotspots. Let's check. Here you can see hotspot is 100% working. Here you can see Redmi is active. Hotspot is 100% working. Net is also working. Our device is easily detected in PC by USB. Let's check the lock screen. Raise to wake, double tap to wake off the screen. Here you can double tap. It is working properly, no problem. Lock screen info, lock screen format, all the features are like MIUI stable ROM. Let's check the password and security if the fingerprint or face unlock is working or not. Let's check the fingerprint. Now let's check the here we can easily add. Now let's check till end. Here you can see fingerprint is now working in our device. In previous ROMs fingerprint was not working. Here you can see, let's check the speed. Tap open, tap open. Speed is bit slow. It may improve in future by using. Here you can see now it is improving. Speed has been improved of fingerprint. Let's check the face unlock also, if it is working or not. Add 2D face data. Make sure all the parts of the face are uncovered by the objects and are clearly visible. Loading camera. Here our camera is loading. You have to wait for few seconds if your camera does not work. Here I have applied the face unlock. Let's check if it is working or not. You can skip the face unlock lock screen after unlocking according to your use. Let's check the face unlock. Here you can see it is working 100%. No bug, there is no bug in face unlock. Let's check the skip the lock screen. Camera is already installed in this ROM. Let's check the display. Color scheme, brightness level. Here you can see brightness level is 100% working, no problem in brightness level, and automatic brightness level is also 100% working. Let's check the reading mode if it is works. Here you can see reading mode is 100% working. There is no bug in reading mode also. Bug in this ROM is minimum. You can only feel the bug if you use more than 1-2 months. Cool, warm. Here you can see it is working, no problem. Let's check the status bar. Show app icon, use LTE instead of 4G. Here you can set according to your use. Show connection speed. Here you get the Wi-Fi speed, internet speed. Here are the full screen mode. Here you can see whichever apps you want to be used in the full screen mode. Here is the full screen display. These are the navigation of full screen gestures. You can set according to your. It is 100% working, no problem. Here is the mirror button. You can adjust according to your use. Everything is working. I have tested this ROM. Let's check the sound also. The ringtone of this ROM is 100% working. Ringtone is very loud, like normal MIUI stable ROM. Let's check the touch sound also. Vibration is 100% working, no problem in vibration. Our MI account is 100% working. You can easily log in MI account. Here you can see I have logged in MI account. Google account is also 100% working. You no need to flash open caps, it is already included. Let's check the special feature game turbo mode. We will also check the PUBG. Here is the second space is also 100% working. MI UI lab, AI preloading speed. Here you can increase the speed, app opening speed, and battery backup is same as MI UI global ROM, MI UI 11 global ROM. I have tested this ROM for 1 day. From my experience, battery backup is amazing, like same as MI UI 11 global ROM. Here you can download the themes also, 100% working, everything is working. Here is the battery and performance, 16 hours 35 minutes remaining. If you put the device idle, battery save 25 hours. Ultra saving mode is 100% working, no problem in ultra saving. Here is the camera, you can check the camera. If it is, here you can see short video. It is a simple camera like MI UI 11 stable ROM. No portrait mode, no AI mode is available in this ROM. And let's check the flash on. Flash is 100% working. Here you can see. Let's check the front camera also. Here is the front camera is 100% working, you can see. Let's check the flash also, 100% working. Here you can see everything is working in this ROM. You can apply this ROM in your device. You can install this ROM in your device. Here is app, welcome to App Vault. Here are the apps. Here are the few apps which are available in this ROM. Now let's check the performance and lag. Here you can see the lag in game. Game is now lagging. It will take time to improve the performance. Now there is no lag when we kill the enemies. First there was a lag. Here you can see. The overall performance of this ROM has increased from starting. You can try it for gaming also. I have already made the installation of this video, so you can check that video for installation. All the files link will be in the description. You can check and download for Redmi 5 Pro G. For other devices you can comment me down. I will provide you Xiaomi.eu ROM link for your device.